Managing orders can be a challenge, but Ordoro's order list page is designed to make it simple and efficient. Let's explore the key features and tools that help you stay on top of your workflow. The order list page in Ordoro is packed with tools to help you manage your orders efficiently. When you hover over text that becomes underlined, you can click to edit that information. To make bulk changes, use the top checkmark box to select all orders on the page. Refresh the page to import new orders. You can expand or collapse all orders or just an individual order. The barcode scanning feature is available under the barcode icon. Use the Filters button to narrow your order view and sort orders by various values for better organization. Under Actions, you can export reports, schedule pickups, create scan forms, and manage batches. You'll notice that actions change depending on whether an order is selected. You can also create new tags. Use the Quick Ship feature, create manual orders, or manage your batches. When an order is selected, shipping options for that specific order will appear. Additional actions include allocating inventory to the order, marking it as shipped or canceling it, editing weight and dimensions, splitting or cloning the order, sending an invoice or receiving payment, creating an RMA, or printing address labels. You can also apply tags to selected orders and print pick and pack lists or address labels. With these tools, the order list page gives you everything you need to efficiently manage your orders and keep your workflow running smoothly.